The wheels in your ride take a lot of punishment. Road grime, dirt, and brake dust are always building up on them. Want a quick way to protect and make cleaning them easier? DP Wheel Coating is a long-lasting layer of protection that repels dirt, road grime, brake dust, and more with just one application. Advanced water beading capabilities protect against water spots. Rated for high temperatures, DP Wheel Coating is specially designed to coat all clear-coated wheels. For easier maintenance, enhanced shine and clarity, and increased water beading, DP Wheel Coating is just what your wheels need. For best results, when applying DP Wheel Coating, fully clean wheels using DP Dual Action Tire and Wheel Cleaner, and then prep the surface for coating with DP Coating Prep Polish or DP Coating Prep Spray. Spray DP Wheel Coating directly onto the coating applicator and spread evenly over the wheel's surface. Work into surface until coating has disappeared. Buff away any excess using a clean microfiber towel. Repels dirt, road grime, and brake dust. Ceramic based and rated for high temperatures, long-lasting protection. DP Detailing Products, exceptional car care products for the professional, enthusiast, and everyday driver.